guys notice we did not talk about Tequila this time? Yeah, and
She can go crazy sometimes, but
the most overrated contestant, that's the question.
Tequila has gotten a
नहीं overrated किसको बोला? Tequila को है ना? चेतम आपको नहीं, ऐसा कोई contestant आपको लगता है?
पर से अनिकेत वो कुछ नहीं.
Audience को थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे बोलूंगी क्योंकि समझ कम आता है इन्हें. तो since Northeast has such vast audience, Delhi people are too busy in their life. I did not know where Tequila is because you know I'm not watching the show.
Yeah.
I'm just watching it on reel. तुक्का मारती हूँ हवा में. Hate Tequila. Like every, I don't know her.
Yeah.
I really don't know her, and we live in two different states, and I don't think so. Like she.
But did Tequila say anything like this? That you
Okay. Now the next question is, who according to you should be eliminated on your behalf that day if you were wanting to play the game?
If I was wanting to play
Who
the
was
game,
most deserving to go that day? Like not you, if. इसको जाना चाहिए था शो छोड़ के आपकी जगह. असलियत में आपको क्या लगता है परफॉर्मेंस वाइज देखा जाए तो कोई शो को कोई कुछ दे नहीं रहा था बट उसको जाना चाहिए था आपको नहीं. ऐसा कोई कंटेस्टेंट आपको लगता है?
पर से अनिकेत वो कुछ नहीं, वो दिखा नहीं, वो because he's not going to speak. Aniket is very introvert, okay. But every time it was the time to perform, he performed. Okay, so I can't say. But अगर हम शो के मात्रा से माने तो वो भी कुछ बात नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. He's not giving like any मसाला, drama, spice,
Aniket.
romance. हाँ अनिकेत and Tequila Aniket दोनों ही नहीं दे पा रहे because Aniket is not gonna cooperate with Tequila. Even if Tequila wants, Aniket will not cooperate. Okay, so Tequila will have to shout on her own and scream on her own and do whatever. She'll have to pull both of them together basically. So मेरे वाले दिन में actually शोब्स अगर मुझे गेम खेलना होता तो शोब्स क्योंकि द मिस्ट्री बॉक्स इज आल्सो सेइंग कि जिसको यू नो पार्टनर नहीं है वो निकल जाओ. तो शी डिड नॉट हैव एनी पार्टनर.
यार देखो स्वास्तिका आप टीकिला के फ्रेंड हो. दिस आंसर आई सेड ऑन वन ऑफ द, so you are Tequila's friend, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I said, you know, I have said this on my podcast last podcast which was I was doing with Kashish was like ये मेरा statement था. आप audience को थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे बोलूंगी क्योंकि समझ कम आता है इन्हें. तो आप मैंने ये बोला, आप मुझे बताना ये गलत था या सही था, ठीक है? मैंने कशिश से पूछा, since Northeast has such vast audience,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, and they watch this show. They are big fans of Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
And Bombay, this is my expression, exact expression. Bombay and Delhi people are too busy in their life, so you know they don't catch up with the show that much as they do, and they're religious fans.
Yeah.
This is my actual statement, right? Now she's gonna clarify for you guys. Now, if I said that, do you think I'm saying that they are Vela?
No.
What do you think of this statement as?
This just means that people staying in Northeast, I am myself from there. I'm born in Tripura, Agartala. So what happens is that the life is not so fast there. The life is not so busy there, and people do have time to sit down and catch up on reality shows.
Yeah.
And
catch up with their friends, families,
Yes.
and all of that also included.
Yes.
I don't get time to catch up with my family, not because I'm too busy or whatever, because I am at a place where I've got so much pressure in my head that I have to, like, what the hell, this city is moving so fast. Like, I want to live in a city where the life is really slow.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Yeah. So
Because I want to catch up with my friends and my reality TV. I love reality TV, though I don't watch this thing. I watch like different, but Love Island, Paradise, Surviving, and whatever. I do watch that.
Yeah.
So, aap complete sorry to cut.
yeah, no. So this just means that people, but even if someone is saying a thing that the fan following is majorly from Northeast, it somewhere means that some of the fan following is also for her or also for me. So we are also thankful to those people who are watching this show. And you know, you guys, if you guys are the ones giving this TRP, then it is after all you. It's not just आप Northeast वालों के fans हो, कुछ आप में से हमारे भी fans हो, इनके भी fans हो. So you guys are our main viewers, and we are actually lucky to have you as our viewers. And
I just said it that, which I said it now, that literally has nothing to do with you being whatever you are saying. That's your word. I'm not going to say it also because I'm not going to quote people.
It's just
to quote
people in
me.
Bombay are very busy with that 3 hours of traffic. It took me 3 hours from my house to come
Thank
here.
you.
Do you think?
Please,
Do you
cameraman,
think? Do you think I have the time to catch up on my own show? I swear I've not watched my own elimination.
See?
I swear already.
I love you guys, and I think same she does. It's just like you need to understand you might be a fan of somebody else, and you know I'm not on a show, and she's gotten out of the show, and she's still in the show, and probably for a long time also. I have no problem with people. It's just I live in Delhi, so I have a different culture and I have a different life.
Correct.
And I was literally, we live in such a spontaneous, monotonous life. I'm bored of my, literally, I love I've been half of the Northeast.
Okay.
But I still did not know where Tequila is because you know I'm not watching the show. I'm just watching it on reel. तुक्का मारती हूँ हवा में. I'm being honest. This time I'm the chillest person on my couch. Otherwise, मैं जब पहले podcast करती थी, I used to research.
अच्छा.
I used to be like, यार है ना, क्या निकालूँ? ये तो बहुत वो हो गया. अभी इनके लिए मेरे लिए आसान है. मैं जो reel में देखती हूँ, वो यहाँ बोल देती हूँ. ठीक है.
सस्ते में लेती है हम लोगों को.
सही में.
तो जूनियर है ये क्या उखाड़ेंगे मेरा.
But yeah, so that is what I said. So आपको अभी भी कुछ भी मानना है आप मानो, but that's what I'm saying. And also I don't hate Tequila. like everybody
Hate
else.
is a very strong word. Hate
Yeah,
is a very
because you
strong
guys
word.
think that I'm obsessed. Don't
To
you?
hate someone, you need to love them.
I don't know her. I really don't know her, and we live in two different states, and I don't think so. Like she.
But did Dikila say anything like
No.
this? That you are.
I think Aniket might have tagged me in a story saying that I think he wanted to tag Ruru, but Ruru was not there on internet. So
Okay.
Ruru said that ki, you know, like she comes from different. She उसके मुंह से निकल गया था country support मिल रहा है उसको. Yeah, that's what happened. And I that too they will not say that they will not say. And I said, listen, it did not mean that way, Aniket, but it came out like that. So
Yeah.
I texted Aniket saying that I did not mean any harm to you, and I'm sorry if you felt bad for my words.
No, but I also feel that they are being like, I think the fans. I don't know, might, because I am from Northeast and I have a lot of Northeastern friends, and there's a part of them which, you know, the whole problem that exists where, you know, the Northeast want to be recognized and as much as Indians.
Yeah.
Just see if someone.
And I
because
want to
on
be
the show
recognized.
also there
It's not about
on the
Northeast,
show also
it's
there
about the people.
on the show also there were some 2-3 moments where you know, Dikila had said probably something in a wrong accent, like karegi karega, like something like
I don't
that,
judge her
and
for
they've
that.
pointed out right then and there. They was like, isko to baat karna nahi aata. So these kind of things happen. So I think their grudge is from there, which is now
Yeah, I agree.
coming out like this,
On
which
my-
is the wrong expression. This is not the place to take out that thing. It is just.
I feel
Yeah.
like when you said about Dikila
Yeah,
right now,
yeah.
I just feel like I don't judge her for how she's saying a thing. Okay, I find her very raw about it. But then, yeah, what I feel like as a viewer, nobody's asked my opinion. I've always asked the question. So today, I think your podcast, I'm gonna literally give a feedback.
Yeah.
I feel like she's very raw.
Yeah.
She's very authentic.
Yeah.
She's who she is, and I'll be damned to say that she's showing herself as who she is, and she's very proud of it. Now, okay, now when I feel like I don't feel like she has that personality, which I admire personally. I have a very different way of looking at women and, like, you know, like appreciating things in her. That, according to me, as my POV, I don't know. She's done okay in the show. Obviously, she's not outshined everybody. She's done okay on the show.
Yeah.
But as a viewer, I feel like that personality, that extra personality, she does not have. And I just feel like I love people. I will tell you, so many Northeastern people I love. Like, they don't know this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like Ameha's got an amazing personality.
Yeah.
And she's partied with me a couple of times, and I feel
Yeah.
like she's. But yeah, I don't find Dikila that. Oh, like Dikila is very that family sister, you know,
Yeah.
you can have in your life, like behna type.
Huh.
She's giving me behan vibe. And
Yeah,
Ame-
she's ban of everyone.
Yeah.
She calls me Swastika Deej. On the show also, she's like Harsh Bhai,
Yeah.
Arbaz Bhai.
Dada कहती है ना,
Yeah,
उसको
yeah,
Dada.
yeah, Harsh
Harsh
Da,
Da,
yeah. Arbaz Da. So yeah, I think whatever you are saying is corrected, but I think this hate that
It's
is
from the
coming
grudge.
out, it's from the grudge, because there are Northeasterns still like कि कुछ भी हो जाए, you know, you'll just easily say कि ये लोग तो Northeasterns है, they're, you know, something like that कि country से अलग है, या फिर ये लोग है, या फिर ये लोग ऐसा कुछ है. So I think they are feeling कि अगर
They want to be recognized.
yeah, and the moment Dikila को कुछ भी ऐसा, you know, attack कर रहे हो कुछ, so they're like, no, this is like Northeasterns fighting for themselves.
But listen,
Yeah.
I feel like it's not about a region.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
about, I feel like हर जगह पे हर किस्म का लोग होता है.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's in you. If you have to validate yourself,
Yeah.
Are you even living your life the way you should at this age? I don't feel like, yeah, there are some days where I sit down and feel like I've broken up, and I feel like, oh fuck, I did this in my life.
Yeah.
Why is this happening with me? What am I doing wrong? But then I wake up next day and I slay the day. Slay Mama Hunty. That's my rule of life.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah. So I feel like har jagah, it's not about
Yeah,
them
yeah.
feeling. Like maybe their number is more, but I feel like har jagah pe har kisam ka
Because
log
वही ना, लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि यार इनको बोलना नहीं आता है, इनके
Nobody's judging. I
Show
think
पे भी बोला है
it's
लोगों
in
ने.
them.
Show पे-
I'm not judging.
You are not judging. शो पे भी हमारे खुद के पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने बोला है, and I don't know इनके किसके साथ क्या बीफ चल रहा है. Right now I don't know, but I think जब भी डिकिला लड़ती है या कुछ करती है, the way she's speaking, I know it is not in a way. Sometimes she crosses the civil line and she can just fight like that. But
Very good for her.
But people will be like, अरे ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है, इसको बात नहीं करना आता है and all this. So this is how
inside you.
Yeah. So this is the Northeasterns saying कि, you know, like this is the Northeasterns, I feel, speaking for themselves.
Since
that-
you are a Northeastern,
Since
that's
I am
why
a Northeastern,
I'm
I know
discussing
it.
this
I
topic.
have Northeastern friends, and I have seen people beside me still till today address them with a name. Okay, and it is very relevant. It is very common, and my own friends also might do it, and you know, and I am not gonna do it. But if someone else does it, it's like it's just a culture. I feel it's just a culture.
No, but
which-
आपने बहुत अच्छा point बोला.
Yeah.
स्वास्तिका आपने बोला कि, you know, it's like they have a grudge in them.
they are still
Looking for the recognition,
yeah,
validation,
and they are still,
which is true.
and they are still, you know, kept as a different.
I think
they're identified as something. They're identified as something with how their eyes are, or how their this is that.
That's very old school now.
Yeah, but when the haters come down, so what happens when the hating comes out? No, so I'm pretty sure they must have also gotten hate like that.
They must be bullied.
They must have
Or they're insecure about
they must have
themselves.
gotten bullied by normal audience जो बैठ के हमारे कमेंट्स कर रहे, जो हेट थ्रो करने बैठते हैं वो कुछ भी बोलते हैं. अभी हेट थ्रो करने वालों ने शायद इनको पोस्ट में जाके इनके नॉर्थ ईस्ट के कल्चर को लेके हेट दे दिया. अभी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न्स फिर घुमा के फिर देंगे हेट जिनके साथ इसकी लड़ाई हो रही है. So you're getting it? It's all
Yeah,
connected like that.
But in my opinion, since I do this podcast in
Yeah.
such a big stadium, because I have mad love for Northeastern,
Yeah.
like my mom and dad took me for my first vacation to Darjeeling. So I have this love, and I know there is.
Bhavya, Darjeeling is not in Northeast.
Why? It's West Bengal.
Yes.
But it's a part. You are also from Northeast, no?
Northeast is the Seven Sisters and Darjeeling is not under that.
ठीक है, my geography might be bad, girl. I'm gonna keep this. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. What you are right at is right.
What a moment. She's so good. She's like, this is not okay. No, they took you to West Bengal. They didn't take you to Northeast. They took you.
Mom and dad might be sending me to good schools, but hello, my geography is so bad.
So what happens is that people in Darjeeling also, they look Pahari, they also have the same look, like the Northeasterns. So again, people are all confused. Ki, ye Darjeeling, because it's not just you. There are many such people. I meet almost every day. I meet like every 10 days. I meet a person who will think that Darjeeling is in Northeast, but it's not. So that is the thing. They have not got that recognition that we are the Seven Sisters, we are the Northeasterns. And Darjeeling is not in Northeast, it's a completely different part. Don't confuse these people. We have a separate identity, they have the separate identity. So, yeah, it's...
Just got schooled, mama! So, yeah, with this question, which I was going with, is like, thank you for correcting me, first of all. I really appreciate it. No, because I always thought that not...
I know that part of the geography because I am from there. If you ask me a question from the...
Okay, let's see who knows.
No, don't do this. No, don't do this. We are not doing geography class here. It's just I knew that because I have studied there.
See, I also know.
तुमको
पता है क्या? You're Russia का Prime Minister.
No, I don't know.
President कौन है? That was a good shit, man. Allah. So, where you were going with it, you think that there's a grudge and they're taking out.
I think it's all deep-rooted problems just coming out on you guys. And it's nothing to do with actually you or her. I think it's all a lot of deep-rooted drama. Just people expressing it on Instagram comments.
Through her,
on you, and from like, this is how people.
Right, totally. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now this is how, if you're wondering how do you deal with such hate, because I get a lot of hate, is that people like that come in my life and politely tell me that Bhavya, this and this, and here I am taking this lesson forward. This is how I deal with hate. Not talking.
Bro, I deal with hate like crazy. Like I've not gotten much hate. Like I have not done
You
so
block?
much to. No, I don't block. I agree with them. I'm like, because like there have been comments on me like कि लौंडे जैसी लड़की है, bro she looks like a guy, okay, and like this. I'm like, I know that. I know I'm a tomboy. Like I have been a tomboy my entire life. Like even though I have this Barbie doll side where I'll wear like a pink little skirt and go out, but there's like a total dude inside me who's worked her whole life to I've fought with my own family. I've fought with so many people.
You come from a very good background.
I come from a good background, but I have had a lot of childhood trauma and...
But thank you for clarifying that Northeast wala question. I hope some of them get brains.
Has a good fan following, no doubt, and people from her city are supporting her.
So, do you think that fan following is overrated? कुछ शो पे किया है जो उसको प्यार मिल रहा है आपके हिसाब से?
If you're asking me कि has she done anything remarkable on the show? No.
कभी ऐसा नहीं दिखा डिकीला का, कभी उसने स्टॉपेज नहीं लगाई.
Like, who's the most overrated contestant? And then they said Tequila. And then I asked Akriti and all. Then she said Tequila.